Okay, now here we need to find the value of x, right? So how to get in? Okay, look here. Now this PQR triangle, it's a isosceles triangle, right? You can understand now here this is equal, PQ equal to QR. They put now this sign. So that means these two sides equal. If these two sides equal, definitely opposite angle of these two sides must be equal. That means this angle, right? This is a QR. This side opposite angle is this one, right? I will put here another letter y, right? And this side equal this side opposite angle is this one. This is small one, only this part, right? This I can think as y. Now these two equal, this angle must be equal this angle, because why? These two side equal, opposite angle of these two side must be equal. This side opposite angle is this one, this is small one. This side opposite angle is this one, opposite, right? So that means these two equal. So you can write 120 plus y equal 180, and you can get y has here, but the 60 divide 2 mean 30. I don't need to write other step, right? Here I need to give you a guide, just what you should do. Right, okay. Then now this is 30, no? That means this angle is 30. Now we got 30. Then we can find this here 99. This angle is 99. 99 subtract 30, you can find this angle, right? This angle you can get like that way. This angle. How? 99, because they give no, this has 99 from here to here. This both angle together. This angle plus this angle 99. So 99 subtract 30. 30 means this is small one, right? That means this is 30 from here to here 99. So that's why 99 minus 30 you can get this angle. So that means here will be what, the 69. That means this angle is 69. This one 69. Right. Now if you consider only this quadrilateral, what, the TSRP, PTSRO, this one, this is a cyclic quadrilateral. Forget about this part now. Only if you think this part, right? This is, right? This is a cyclic quadrilateral. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. If this is cyclic quadrilateral, that means this angle plus this angle must be supplementary. That means 180, right? In a cyclic quadrilateral, we have learned opposite angle are supplementary, right? 180, add up to 180. This plus this, right? This means here, this one, right? Like I showed you earlier, like this way. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. Then this angle must be equal to this angle, right? Sorry, not equal. This plus this should be 180. So I can write x plus 69. That means this one, this angle, right, must be equal to 180. Opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral, those are add up to 180, right? Opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral. This is a cyclic quadrilateral, TSRP. Right, now x equal 180 minus 69. So what the answer here? 1, and here 7 subtract 6 mean 1, and this is 1, right? So this x should be 111 degrees.